Hello everyone. In this lesson, we're going to be looking at how you can scale up your design with your project size. And for this example, I'm going to be showing you a project done by one of my students. And as you can see from this picture, he took a design right here and it was done in a square, and he went to carve it, but he didn't realize that he forgot to scale it up to be the size of the project. So I'm going to show you how you can easily scale that up without having to do much work. And also, you can see he was able to save it, and this is the benefit of being a little creative. So he was able to save this sign and make it into an all new design, which worked out great for him. Okay, so I'm going to show you right now. This project is 8 by 8, and that's the size he has here, when it should have been 12 by 12. And you can see I already have the toolpaths made. So if we go to the 3D view and we preview those toolpaths, you can see they look normal. And if we go to the 2D view, and if you were to turn those toolpaths on, you could see where they'll be carving. And also at the top, you could turn on the solid view, and that's going to fill in purple where it's going to be carved. Okay, so that's going to give us a good idea when we go to scale this, what the difference of the toolpath will look like. So there is a way to scale the project and the design all at the same time. And that's by going to this button right here where it says Set Job Dimensions and Origin. That will take you back to the job setup screen. And one major difference from when you first start a project is this added button down here where it says Design Scaling. And you can see it says Scale Design with Job Size. So if you turn that option on, now when you change the size, it's going to scale the design with it. So you could see if I type in 12 right here for the width, the project got bigger and the design stayed centered, but we have to adjust the height as well. So let's type in 12 here. And now you could see our original toolpaths is this purple area right here. But since we had the design scaling turned on, it now scaled the entire design with the new 12 by 12 inch material size. So now this project would be big enough to fit in this piece of material. Now the only thing you have to do is fix the toolpaths, which if you already created them, it's very simple. Once you click OK to accept these changes, it's going to ask you if you want to change the toolpaths as well. So to recalculate those toolpaths, just click yes. And you can see it will fix those with just one click of a button. Now click OK. And there you go. Now you have your corrected project that will fit into the size of the material that you want to use. And then if you go to the 3D view, we could double check, make sure everything's all good. And it looks good. So that would be your new project with the same design, except it's scaled to fit the material. So that's just a quick tip on how you can scale your design very simply. If you have any questions on that, just let me know.